So now we start how to find equation of line. So first we have to know what is the meaning of this x-intercept and y-intercept. So suppose this is a line in a graph, a line intersect in its coordinate axis. So this is x dash and this one is y dash. So the line intersect in x axis as well as y axis also. So distance from the origin to the x axis is known as x-intercept, and distance from the origin to y axis is known as y-intercept. If it is in a downwards, that is means negative, no problem. If it is in negative x axis, no problem. X-intercept means towards x and y-intercept means towards y, like this. This y-intercept is known as C also, we are discussed. So first we clear what is the meaning of x-intercept. That means the point A, the distance of A. So what is the coordinate of A? So x is something but y is 0, and what is the coordinate of B? So x is 0 but y is something, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 or minus plus. So that means in x-intercept y 0 and in y-intercept x 0. Clear? First we clear this term, that x-intercept means a point A whose x-intercept is 6. That means the point A is 6, 0. A point B whose y-intercept is 7. So that means 0, 7. Okay. So this y-intercept is known as C. The distance from the origin to the y is known as C. So here also in a minus term, that is also known as C, y-intercept. So x-intercept clear, y-intercept is clear. A point A whose x-intercept is 6, that means the coordinates are 6, 0. A point B whose y-intercept is 7, that means the coordinates are 0, 7. A point A whose x-intercept is minus 6, so that means coordinates are minus 6, 0. A point B whose y-intercept is minus 7, so use 0, minus 7. So x-intercept clear and y-intercept clear. Now theta is given. In first case theta is given and y-intercept is given. Y-intercept is given. So here theta given, maybe it's 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, and y-intercept is given. So y-intercept is known as what? C. This is the y-intercept. So this is known as C. So how to find the equation of AB? Equation of AB is equation of AP also. So how to find the equation? When slope is given, slope that means theta, inclination is given. So what we know? We know that slope M is equal to tan theta. Now this line and this line is parallel. Again this angle and this angle is equal, corresponding angle. So M is equal to tan theta, that means tan theta is what? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular means what? AP by AB. So what is the distance of this AP? This much up to this much as C, that means this portion also C. So what is the distance? What is the distance of AP? So from complete Y you minus from complete Y, there is a Y axis. So Y may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 anything. So if I take this one Y, so this is Y, the coordinate is x, y. So x is this much and y is this much. So what is the distance of this AP? So from complete y you subtract this c, that is the AP. So, in place of AP I put y minus c, and AB is what? Now, AB is x, AB is x, so x. So, tan theta, that means we can use m. So, m is equal to y minus c by x. In cross multiplication, mx is equal to y minus c, and we can say y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, where m means slope and c means y-intercept. And how to find slope? If theta is given, you can easily find by tan theta. So, here m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. From here, that is the required equation. You can find the equation of line y is equal to mx plus c, and this is also a general form of equation, general form of equation. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m means slope and c means y-intercept. C may be plus or minus, negative or positive. Okay. So, y is equal to mx plus c, that is your first point. If theta, angle of inclination or slope is given and y-intercept given, so by using this formula you can find the equation of line. First point is clear. Now, case 2, when a slope of a line and a point given. So, slope of line means the theta, by angle of inclination you can easily find theta. So, theta is tan theta you use to finding slope of line. You have to find the equation of AB. So, you just consider this triangle, a P, B, and I will take here suppose C. So, tan theta is equal to what again? QC by PC, perpendicular by base. Now, what is the distance of QC? So, this is x and this is y. For coordinate of Q, x is this one and y is this one, and coordinate of P, this is x1 and this one y1, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 for y, and maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for x. So, QC means what? QC is the distance, means what? From complete y you subtract up to this much y1. So, QC is y minus y1, and PC is what? PC is from complete x you subtract x1. So, x minus x1, and tan theta, that is slope m. So, m is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. So, in cross multiplication, y minus y1 is equal to m whole x minus x1. Now, you are putting the value of any x1 y1. Suppose this one given point x1 y1, you putting the value, you can find the equation of line AB. This is the second point, when a slope of a line and a point is given. So, by using this formula you can easily find the equation of that line. So, you can easily find the equation of line AB. Okay. So, using this formula, this is very important. One formula is mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c, and second y minus y1 is equal to m whole x minus x1, where m is what? Slope, and this x1 y1 is the point given P. Okay. Now, third point. Third point is like this. If two points are given, suppose P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2 for third point. So, first you have to find the slope. So, you know, if 2 points, the coordinates of 2 points are given, then how to find m? So, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. From here you first find the value of m. Okay. Then you can consider any one equation. you take this one x1 y1 or maybe x1 y1 this one, any of them. You can take P, you can take Q. Suppose you can take Q as your x1 y1, then just using this formula where M means what? Now from M, first you find the slope of this PQ by using y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You can find the value of M, and when you find the value of M, you just put any of a point, you take x1 and y1. You can take P as x1 y1, you can take Q as x1 y1. Now just use this formula. So by using this, you can find the equation of line AB, PQ, MN, anything else. Okay. Now we are just going to some exercise question, then it is easy to understand. Suppose given, find the equation. Find the equation whose y-intercept is equal to 2 and slope is equal to 3. So slope given 3, that means M is equal to 3 given, and y-intercept is 2, that means y is denoted by c, so c is equal to given 2. So what is the general form of equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. In place of m you just put 3x, and in place of c you put 2. So y is equal to 3x plus 2, or you can say 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. That is your required equation. Clear? One more question, find the equation of line. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept is minus 1. Whose y-intercept is minus 1. And in place of slope it is given, and the theta, angle of inclination, is 45 degree. So what do you do? Theta given, so m is equal to tan theta. So tan 45 degree. So m is equal to 1. First you clear m, and y-intercept means what? C is equal to minus 1. So what is the general form of equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. In place of m you put 1 into x plus minus 1, because c value is minus 1. So this is 1x means x plus minus minus 1. So y is equal to x minus 1, or you can say x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is your required equation. Clear? Again, one more question. Find the equation of a line whose slope is minus 4 by 3. Whose slope given minus 4 by 3, and which is passes through, slope given, find the equation whose slope is 4 minus 3 and this passes through minus 3 comma 4. So this minus 3 comma 4 is your x1 and y1, and slope is given. So slope is given means m is given minus 4 by 3. So if slope and a point given, what is the formula? The formula is y minus y1 is equal to m whole x minus x1. So y and y1 means what? 4. M is how much? Minus 4 by 3. X and x1 is how much? Minus 3. So minus 3 is become plus 3. So cross 3y minus 12 is equal to minus 4x minus 12. Okay. So this 4x go this way. So plus 4x plus 3y is equal to plus 12 minus 12, cancel. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 0 is your required equation. So this is a point given and a slope given. This is the another condition. When theta or slope given and y-intercept given, there is another form. And if one point given and slope is given, then there you use this formula. Okay, one more example you can take. Find the equation of a line passes through 0, 1 and 1, 2. So here a question, find the equation of a line passes through 0, 1 and 1, 2. This is the case of what? Where 2 points are given. How you find the equation of line? So when 2 points are given, first we find the slope. So let this is your A, 0, 1 and B, this is 1, 2. So slope of AB, first you find slope of AB. So slope of AB was y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So slope of AB is denoted by what? M. So y2, this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. So y2 2 minus 1 by x2 1 minus 0. So this is 2 minus 1 by 1. So this is 1 by 1, so cut, so 1. So M is 1. So my slope is clear, M is 1. Now equation of AB is equal to what? Y minus y1 M whole x minus x1. So y1 you considered any one point. Which one you want? We can take A. So y minus 0 is equal to M1 and x is how much? No, y is 1, sorry. Y1 is this one, so 1 and M, x means what? 0 minus, sorry, x is x and x1 is 0, like this. Once more clear, y means y, y1 means 1, okay, M means 1, yes, x is x, x1 is 0, yes. So what is the equation? So y minus 1 is equal to 1 into x, and this one 0, no need. So this one, so y go this way, so x minus y is equal to minus 1. So sir, you take this one x1 y1, if I take this one x1 y1, then what happened? So let's try. If you take B 1, 2 is your x1 and y1, what happened? Again you use this formula. So y minus y1 is equal to M whole x minus x1, okay. So y is y and yn here is 2 is equal to M1, x is x and x1 is 1. So like this. So this is y minus 2 is equal to 1 and 1, x minus 1, okay. So y go this way, so x minus y and minus 1 become plus 1. So here 1 minus 2, so x minus y is equal to minus 1. So same thing happened, x minus y is equal to minus 1, x minus y is equal to minus 1. That means you can take any one, whether A or B, as your x1 y1, then putting the value. If two lines are given, you have to first find the slope of the line. So slope of the line we can find, then using the formula, and take any point as your x1 y1. That is the concept. Hope you understand.